Hi, I'm Jitendra from Lanka Business Today, coming up with market summary for the 17th April 2012. Colombo Stock Exchange indices saw quite flat, while investor participation was quite low soon after the end of the New Year season. The market saw the all-share price index closed at 5,434.80 points, whilst the more liquid Lanka price index closed at 4,929.56 points. Market's volume of turnover recorded to be 442 million, whilst John Keels took a major part in contributing towards the market turnover with two crossings, and market saw nearly 11.8 million shares changing hands. Among the top gainers was SMB Leasing PLC, which almost rose up by 25%, Kuruvita Textiles, Sapukastana, and Infrastructure Developers. The top losers were among Vogler Graphite, Citrus Leisure PLC, and top gainers were SMB Leasing PLC, whilst the share rose up by 25%. However, only 7,440 shares changed hands, recording a turnover of 3,516 rupees. Among others were Habukastana Plantations, Infrastructure Developers, and Kuruvita Textiles. Among top losers were Vogler Graphite, Citrus Leisure, Equity 2 PLC, while Vogler Graphite almost came down by 9.62% to close at 23.10 rupees. However, Sri Lankan shares closed weaker even today, with turnover beginning to pick up from very low levels after the long New Year holiday, with interest still mainly on penny stocks. But environmental resources investments warrants were the most actively traded, ending almost up at 6 rupees and 90 cents. Swarnamal Financial Services, which has also been actively traded in recent days, closed flat at 9 rupees. Ceylon Developments also saw some interest, ending at 8 rupees, and nearly 891,000 shares changed hands. Meanwhile, subdued activity was seen across the board, with bourse opening after the long holiday, as I earlier mentioned as well. However, the diversified sector may remain the highest contributor to the market turnover. We have continuously been seeing and witnessing the dull sentiment in the market for the last few days, mainly due to various circumstances, including as news reports forecasted, the market has been witnessing a dull sentiment due to less interest from the retailers as well as institutional investors. However, foreign buying continues to remain in the market, and many foreign investors are supposed to be collecting a lot of Colombo stocks for the last few weeks. Meanwhile, Colombo Stock Exchange recently announced the latest quarter results for the market on last week. According to the report, it says from January to March, the Colombo Stock Exchange's equity turnover has gone up to 81.7 billion, while during the March it has rose from 29.45 billion in February to 33.15 billion. Foreign purchases has also considerably gone up from 5.2 billion rupees in February to 11.4 billion rupees on March this year. Almost foreign investors' contribution to total turnover had increased from 18% to 34.6%, while during the quarter it has recorded to be 24.8%. And so far, to date, the figures outline that the net foreign flow at Colombo Stock Exchange has gone up to 20.3 3 billion rupees, whilst during March this year, almost 17.9 billion rupees has pumped into the market from foreign companies and investors. I think going forward with this market sentiment, still the local investors follow watch and wait style. However, but foreign investors continues to be investing in local market. Thank you.